Kia ora, it's me, Buzz, back on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm at the drum studio. I'm going to be learning how to play the drums. Come and meet my drum teacher, Stacey. Let's go. Everyone, this is Stacey. Oh! Kia ora, Stacey.
Kia ora, Buzz.
Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. I want to learn so much about the drums. Can you tell me what everything is?
Yeah, this is the kick drum, or the bass drum.
Oh, okay.
Nice. This is the snare drum. Cool. These are the toms.
Toms.
Very good, high five. Yeah, this is the hi-hat. Yep, and you put your foot down there on that pedal. Yep, cool. And over there, you have a ride cymbal.
Can you teach me how to make a beat now, please?
Yeah, I'll teach you a beat. Okay, here we go. Let's do bass drum for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
And now keep that going, and with your right hand on the hi-hat, play 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah!
Oh, I'm doing it!
Yeah! And now with your left hand, and add the snare drum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Yeah! You're doing it!
I'm doing it, Bono!
Yeah!
That was awesome! Hey, if you practice really, really hard, you'll be able to do this one day. Tai, rua, toru, fa. Oh! Hoorah! That was amazing! Ka kite whānau.
Hi.